Welcome to Lukla and our tutorial on searching and finding content. In this tutorial, we'll explore the application search functions and explain the powerful type ahead field. Then we'll lead you through finding a piece of content for the Everest Climbing Company to give you some context. All of the anchors visible in the grid, the document title, and the date updated are easily sorted by ascending or descending order by clicking on the header. If your available content does not fit on one page, then scroll appears on the right side. By using the scroll bar, you can page through the rest of the available content. The total number of files can be seen in the bottom left. This also indicates how many files have been selected, if a filter or search is applied. You can narrow down the amount of visible content by using the search box in the top right. This allows you to enter any portion and combination of search items. The operators you can add are ampersand for and, vertical bar for or, and caret for not, or to exclude items from your search. An example of this is shown at the end of the video. You can select the bin where you want to look for content. And if you have a large number of bins, you can use the type ahead to reduce the number of visible bins, and select yours. This can include any portion of the bin name, or the bin number. You can also use the Select Show button to add filters that can be used to find content. Some examples are filtered by transmittal status, locked documents, and security level. These filters can be used alone or in combination with the Type Ahead box. Now that we have learned the search functions in the application, let's find a piece of content related to the Everest Climbing Company, our fictional company, that leads expeditions to summit Everest. In this story, I'm the American expedition doctor for the South Col route who wants to find the travel vaccination report for the team, and then specifically for Dave Dingman. Let's get started. The first task is to get into the correct bin, so I'll put down the bin selections. I'll enter South as a fragment of the route to narrow down the list of bins to only those with my context. I could also enter American, as I know this is an American expedition. With this completed, I see only the bin I'm looking for, and I select Bin Documents. In the bin, I can see that there are 102 files and, at a glance, I do not see the item I'm looking for, using the scroll wheel. I know a couple of anchors to look for to narrow down the content from the available 102 files. From the story, I know that I can look for vaccination, or even a portion of the word, vac, to narrow my search down to 4 pieces of content. I can see the entire team's reports are now visible, but let's add another facet to narrow it down a little further. So I'm going to add N Dave, and the list drops to only one file, as there's only one vaccination report in Lukla that has the word Dave. This functionality allows you to narrow down your content to see only the files that are relevant to you in a matter of seconds. And if I remove my search criteria, all of the files reappear. To further illustrate, let's see all the content related to Dave. I'll just put his first name in the search field, and now you can see all 19 pieces of content related to Dave. If I add the extension n.xls, I can see there is one file as a spreadsheet related to Dave. This is his training plan. And that was Search Basics. If you have any questions, just hit the help icon in the bottom left. Lukla, helping you do great things.